In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Google Calendar to Outlook. By the end, you'll have your Google events showing up in Outlook on the web using a simple iCal subscription link. So Outlook stays updated when your Google Calendar changes. Start in Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar in your browser and look to the left sidebar under My Calendars. Hover your mouse over the calendar you want to bring into Outlook. You'll see a three-dot menu appear next to its name. Click that menu, then choose Settings and Sharing. This opens the settings page for just that calendar. Scroll down until you find the section called Integrate Calendar. Here you'll see several links. You're looking for the option labeled Secret Address in iCal format. In some versions, you may simply see iCal link. Click to copy that entire URL. This is a private link that provides read-only access to your calendar, so keep it secure and don't share it publicly. Now switch over to Outlook on the web and open the calendar view. In the left pane, select Add Calendar. From the options, choose Subscribe from Web. You'll see a field to paste a link. Paste the Google iCal URL you copied a moment ago. Give the calendar a clear name so you can recognize it at a glance. If your view provides color or icon choices, feel free to pick those to keep things organized. When you're ready, click Import to complete the connection. Outlook will subscribe to your Google Calendar and begin pulling in events. The new calendar will appear in your list, and you can toggle it on or off like any other. The first sync can take a few minutes, so don't worry if everything doesn't populate immediately. After the initial load, Outlook will refresh the subscription on a schedule. Keep in mind this connection is one way and read only in Outlook. To edit events, make changes in Google Calendar, and those updates will flow into Outlook. If you don't see events after a while, double check that you copied the iCal link from Integrate Calendar and not a public web page link. Also confirm you selected the specific calendar you wanted and not just your overall account settings. For shared or work calendars, make sure you have permission to view them in Google. That's it. You've connected your Google Calendar to Outlook using the iCal subscription link. Thanks for watching and enjoy having all your events in one place.